Good morning. This is Terry.coatney, Coldwell Banker Realtor here in Vienna, West Virginia. It's Friday, the 5th of January. It's cold outside. It's 19 degrees. Tomorrow, snow is forecasted. Tonight, it's going to be 18 degrees. So, looks like it's raising its ugly head for us. So, if you're buying or selling a home or you're a homeowner, you want to think about the things that have to be done to winterize a home. So, let's go over 5 of those things that you want to do. First of all, you want to get the furnace tuned up. It's going to be run a lot. Check the filter, and then make sure that you have it professionally looked at and that it is in good working operation. Really, an easy thing for you to do is to make sure that if you have a thermostat that has batteries in it, change those batteries. You would hate for that to go dead in the middle of the night when it's 18 degrees. Next thing is take a look at air leaks. If you've got air leaks around the window door, you can think about putting a plastic up over the windows. They say sell some really nice kits to make that, and that keeps those air drafts down. And if you have any leaks around doors or so forth, there's weather stripping that is easily installed, self-adhesive and so forth. And think about the ceiling fans too in your house. You know, heat rises, and so if you turn those ceiling fans so that they're blowing down clockwise, then that heat, they can push it down, makes it more efficient, keeps us all warmer. And then also take a look at all the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide. Have you changed the batteries in those? And make sure they're in working order. And then take a look at the chimney. If you have a fireplace, have you had that chimney serviced and looked at? You want to make sure that that's operating and drafting so that you don't get any carbon monoxide poisoning or any kind of smoke damage or so forth. And then also, if you have a sump pump, have you checked the battery backup in it? You know, when we get a heavy snow and rains and so forth, that battery backup, if you have a finished basement, it could run out in a few hours. So take a look at those batteries, make sure you're in good operation there. So those are some of the things that we all need to do as homeowners or people who are buying or selling a home. Let's take a look at that so that we can stay safe and warm. Hope you have a great weekend. It's going to be a little cold, but we still want to make sure that you're safe and warm. If you have any questions or any other thoughts, just feel free to contact me with those, and I'll get back with you. Have a great weekend.